Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. So today's video, I am here again, guys. This time again with my short hair. I'm going to share with you another crazy style. I mean, very crazy. And what I'm going to use is my heat protection spray just to protect my hair because I'm going to use my hair straightener, and I'm also going to mix with my coconut oil, yeah, to just protect my hair because I am scared to spoil my hair texture with the heat. And I will make sure to mix everything together before I start. I will let you continue watching the video. Don't forget to like and share, guys. And I will take this opportunity to say a big thanks to you all for your support. And yeah, continue watching the video until we meet in my next one. Mwah!
I give myself permission to do what is right for me. I overcome fears by following my dreams. My mind is full of brilliant ideas. I make a difference in the world simply by existing in it. I am love, I am purpose. I was made with divine intention. I give myself space to learn and grow. I am always headed in the right direction. I now choose to release all hurt and resentment. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My future is an ideal projection of what I envision now. I